double plays, my shit on D&D. Damn. Put me in the fucking game, on the MVP. Nigga. Take you out of Yodel, put you in an AMG. Bitch, I count chicken.
Like, bro. This shit pissed me off because I'll rip this shirt off of him and steal it for myself. This is a beautiful shirt, bro. This is a very beautiful shirt, bro. Yo Panda Buy agent did very well at transporting that to you, nigga. Genuinely pristine and all, bro. That nigga kept that shit first priority before his life. Yo Panda Buy agent did his shit, nigga. But it's being wasted. It's being wasted on you, nigga. You got these ugly ass shoes to match exactly with the shirt. Why? This is not clean, bro. Yo Panda Buy agent would be very fucking disappointed. Very disappointed.